Let me introduce you to the perfect kitchen companion. My oven gloves are super popular for so many reasons. First of all, you can use them indoors and you can use them outdoors. They are layer upon layer of protection for your hands, not only on the inside, but the way I designed them on the outside as well. You have silicone on the front and back. Why? Non-slip grip in your kitchen, but also no right hand and no left hand. I'm able to walk over to this oven and I can put my hand directly inside it. I can actually bump into the sides. I can pull the rack out. And do I feel a little heat? I feel a little bit of heat, but nothing that super burns me. I can take something right off of the stovetop, like a boiling tea kettle, put it on my hand, and will I feel a little heat? A little bit, but again, nothing that I can't take. What I love about these is, again, they fit like your snow glove. And that's the reason why, is so that, again, it adds to that layer of protection. What I love about these also is the fact that you can use them inside and you can use them outside. As I mentioned, so go out for your grill. All summer long, I'm flipping the corn on the cob. I'm flipping the baked potatoes. Super easy to do, but I designed them to protect your hands in the kitchen as well. So in and out of the microwave, in and out of the oven, wherever you need these, they will protect your hands. We have great colors, we have great patterns, and the best part, that silicone non-slip grip is even great for opening all of those jars. All you need to do is pick your color and pick your pattern.